Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian Daniel and friends. I'm going to try to be really quick. I got a lot of things going on right now, and I want to share them with you. I just set up a July 27th and 28th online workshop where we're going to go into the light, medium, and deep trance states of channeling. We're going to talk about them. We're going to work with them. And also with that workshop, you're going to also get a 90-minute one-on-one with me at a later date after the workshop. So come check that out. That's down below. That's for July 27th and 28th. It'll be from 12 noon to 4 p.m. Pacific time. So if everybody could figure out their time zones with that, make sure you can make it live, because this one you do need to be there live for it. The next thing I have coming up is I have some coming soon things coming in, but things that are already set up that you can sign up for. Egypt. In January 11th through the 26th, 17 days of adventure in Egypt, where we're doing light language channeling, astral traveling, remote viewing. We're going to be doing all kinds of things with Egypt, along with bringing in messages from the sacred sites, all kinds of fun things with Egypt. The next one, and that's going to be 2025, January of 2025. The next one that is set up and ready to go is Iceland, the Iceland cruise for June 20th through the 30th. I'm doing that with Trina Sheeran and Julia Cannon. Sorry, Trina, I messed up your name there a little bit. And that's going to be June 20th through the 30th. It's a 10-day cruise, and there's going to be 3 days of intensive workshops where we're going to be at sea all day those days. And then there's a tour that we're going to be doing together. And then, of course, all the dinners and interactions in between there that happen. So come check out Iceland. The website for that was not officially signed up or set up yet. So please email Trina. The information for that is on my website, and the link for that's down below. Coming soon, I am going to connect with Monica Dunn, and we're setting up a channel and sound healing in the Washington State Forest, out where Monica lives. And we're going to be bringing that to you guys September 7th and 8th. So save the dates. The official announcement for that is not ready yet, but this is the coming soon stuff. I also have a possibility of doing a workshop in Cancun in October, and the Hilo Hawaii thing that got postponed. There was too many people on vacations to get everything organized and enough to get that going. So we're going to postpone that out, I think maybe December, but we'll get back to you on that one as well. All right, you guys, all the links down below for the things that are ready to go, and save the dates, September 7th and 8th, if you want to do the Washington Forest sound healing and meditation. And then be watching for the announcement for October and hopefully December. All right, guys, let's go find out what Daniel has to say for everything going on these days. So much going on, right? All the energy. So let's find out what comes through. I'll go get him now. We are so glad to be here. So glad to be here with everybody and being in this energy with you. We have talked about the energy shifting and the energy, the codes coming in, the sun codes and the moon codes, and be out in the sun and be out at night as well. Go out and stand under the stars for a little bit if you get the chance. We've talked to you about a few things of that nature. Your DNA, we did some work with the DNA, and for those of you who have joined us for that, we do encourage you to keep listening to that one, to keep listening to the DNA upgrade audio. As we are looking at all this beautiful alignment in the energy right now, we want to remind you all that this is the time. This is the time that is set up for everybody. It is a time to be present. It is a time to pay attention. It is a time to seek your joy. It is a time to be truthful and honest with yourself. It is a time to make amends where you need to make amends. It is time to seek forgiveness and give forgiveness. It is a beautiful time of intense healing. It goes into deep levels of healing right now, the deep levels. There is a beautiful part of your soul that is emerging into this world. You are changing. You are shifting. You are elevating. You are evolving. You're not playing the same roles that you played a year ago. You are not attached to the same things that you were even last week. You are moving rapidly through the ascension. Pay attention. You get to move through this however fast you want to. There is no right way. There is no wrong way. It doesn't matter what somebody else is doing, if they're ahead or behind or wherever you perceive them to be, it does not matter. You are not on their journey. You are on your journey. And the only way to influence the masses, if you will, or humanity, is by example. Be in your truth. Be in your forgiveness. Be in your willingness to be humble and ask for what you need. Be in the balance of the masculine and the feminine. Be willing to look at things that you may not like to see within self, within your situations, the role you play, the part you are putting into it. You are the change that you are looking for. It is in your choices. It is in your words. It is in the actions you take. It is in the story you tell. You are the change. If you want something to change, what can you do within your world, within your reality to make that change happen? To create it. This is an empowering time. Empowering in the sense that you let go of the ego, you let go of the pride, you let go of the driving forces behind what you do. You humble yourself and you look at what it is you're doing and your patterns and the way you speak and the way that you interact and the way that you approach your world, your life. Is very, very empowering to own the part you're playing in your reality. Where are you getting triggered? Where are you getting annoyed? Where are you getting frustrated? Where are you getting elated? Where are you getting excited? Where are you getting enhanced and promoted and seen and heard and valued? Where are you doing that for others in your life? If you want to call this a game, play it and play it well. If you want to call it a matrix, figure out how to work with the matrix. If you want to call it a simulation, figure out how to work with the codes of the simulation. If you want to just call it organic life with a God and an earth and a heaven and a hell and good and bad, then learn how to work with that too. Whatever program you are running, whatever belief systems you are working from, it does not matter. It does not make it right. It does not make it wrong. You just learn to work with it. You learn to navigate through that. What are the rules? And how do you find what you are looking for within that system? Maybe it's time to buck the system and find a new one. And maybe it's time to just have a little fun and figure it out. Step up to the challenge. Be the version of yourself that you came here to be. It is empowering. It is a good time to be here. It is a good time to be awake and to be looking and listening and hearing and valuing and holding gratitude and love and appreciation. It's a good time to find what is powerful and good about this world and about yourself and about what is coming in the future and what is happening for you right now. It is a time for you to again elevate, change your thinking, change your vibration, your frequency. Become the match. Feel it, see it, sing it, praise it, love it, gratitude, wellness, healthy mind, body, spirit, all of it. You are going through a beautiful point of your awakening, a very big aha moment, if you will. Do not hold back. Shower yourself and those you love in this energy. You are a wonderful being. We thank you for being here with us in this beautiful forum, this creative space, this wonderful time. We thank you for being here with us in this channel. And we thank you for all the energy you bring to the planet and all the hard work you're doing and everything that you are opening yourself to as you evolve, as you ascend, as you create new worlds for yourself. Thank you for being here. We're going to bring Tracie back now. With much love and gratitude, thank you. I feel a little inspired. It's kind of fun to be in the energy of that and to be reminded how powerful we really are. The channeling has been a huge part of my life for, just over 5 years now, I think. And I have to tell you, my entire life has changed because of the channeling. So the messages and the way I see the world now and the way that I see other people doesn't mean I'm not human. It doesn't mean I'm not being triggered or responding to people and then wishing I had done it differently. But I'm quicker to it. I'm quicker to coming to that aha moment or realizing the bigger picture, seeing how things are all in alignment, seeing how everything is on purpose. And I just love where this world is going on this trajectory of what I've been learning and how I've been experiencing the world, and not just the last 5 years, even beyond that. But I just want to thank all of you for being a part of my ride, my journey, and thank you so much for being here and supporting me. With that being said, please give this a thumbs up and comment below and share it with anyone you think would appreciate this video as well. Don't forget to check out the links down below, and I hope to see you at the light, medium, and deep trance states of channeling and learning how to channel, bringing in your channel, that type of thing. That is on July 27th, 28th. Please come join us over there. And I look forward to those who have already signed up. I look forward to seeing you guys there as well. And until next time, you guys have a wonderful and beautiful rest of your day.